Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're looking at all the top deals, all the top tool deals, power tools, hand tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for material reviews to deals. Now we're coming in here through the lumber section. This Home Depot, it's kind of weird because it's hiding, like you gotta drive a little bit into, it's not really in the main street, it's like hidden in there. $9.98. They still have this from the Christmas sales, and then they got some Milwaukee, some lights, and that's the rocket light there, $1.99, and you get a free battery. I guess you get a free battery and charger. And that's the fan from Joby. Some more Joby tools. Some big batteries there, and I'm looking at an impact driver. Let me know down in the comment section what your input on these impact drivers from Joby. I used to own one. I did sell it. I should have just kept it because it was a brushless unit. But I did sell it because I thought I had too many impact drivers already. But now I'm looking for an impact driver. So let me know if you're on the Joby brand and see what impact driver it is good. Then they got this Christmas or the buy one get one free deal. They don't have this anymore, but pretty soon they're gonna start doing some clearance of those items. There's gonna be a lot left over. The Milwaukee section from $1.99, $2.49, $2.49, and you get the free battery without any of these purchases. So that is definitely a great deal. You get a little bit more for your money. Especially if when you're buying a bare tool, you get, at least you're getting a battery with it if you already have a charger. Circular saw, and then you got some Dewalt working stations or portable. Really nice. And then you got some Makita. Makita has some nice deals here. $99 for that 12 volts impact driver, drill driver bag, battery, and charger. Then you got those drill drivers and impact drivers for $99 by themselves. So definitely some great deals here. You got the $25 tape measure. Now these went up in price. They were $39 and they went up in price to $54. That's $19.88. $100. I heard some people buying that with the nail gun for $99. So always be on the lookout. Different Home Depots have different options and different sales. So well, they kind of have the same sale, but sometimes they'll get a few items left over from the sale, and they'll just bring it down. Basically, got a whole lot of pack out in this store. I mean, there's a huge selection here. Basically, the whole wall here is pack out. But yeah, really nice. And then plus they have another section somewhere else. And those are the tools that they got left over from the buy one get one free deal. I don't believe that they still have that. You might want to check out, see if they have any sales on your nearest Home Depot. I heard of some people still getting those deals, but I will definitely find out before you head over to the store. Do your own research. This is a nice Dewalt box. I heard of this box, not this one, but the Milwaukee, going on sale. But yeah, this is a really nice box. Does have the USB and the electric ports there to charge all your power tools, and that's power tool drawer over there for the drills and impact drivers. That's a Husky version, and that's the Milwaukee. Really nice. Feels really solid. Little pricey though, $649 for $648. For something that price, you could probably get a bottom and top drawer. Some more Milwaukees. Circular saw, and then that's the rocket light there for $199. And they're still rolling out they're still putting up all the sales that they're gonna have. And some of the leftovers from the holiday sale. $19.87, $9.97, $16.88, some straps, some flashlights, $5.91. Definitely some nice flashlights there, $19.97. Then you got some Milwaukee gloves, $19.88. I believe it's a pack of 5 or so. Then you got some Gerber knives, multi-tool, $5.88. That's a nice little toolbox for $5.88. $19.88 for that speaker. Some more blades. All these are some nice gloves. I still have to get them. Haven't had a chance to get them. I keep forgetting. And if I'm there and then I'm on the other side of the Home Depot and then I have to leave, I always forget to go get them. But I still gotta go get them. I know there was some guys on Facebook that they were getting them for $1 though. Somehow they were just getting like a whole bunch of these gloves. Some people were ordering like 20 or 30 of them. But yeah, I couldn't get my hands into any of those. This is like the deal sold out. $1.99. And this is the garden section. Yeah, I did buy a Cobalt string trimmer, and I'm trying to look for the correct string for it. So I'm looking to all the stores, see whatever they have, comparing prices. And Dewalt did have one for $99 with the battery. I believe it was the XR version. They don't have any on this Home Depot, but yeah, other Home Depots I've seen it for $99 with the battery and the charger for the Dewalt string trimmer. And then same thing with the Ryobi. They had a Ryobi for $99 with the battery and the charger. And seems like this Home Depot doesn't have them. So I guess it just depends on the Home Depot you go to. If they got anything left over from the sales, I guess. And they just, bring down the price. Yeah, I'm just looking at... You guys know the best string, the best string for an electric. It's a 40 volt Cobalt. The best string for an electric trimmer. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I'm just looking around. Because I know if you get those are 60. I believe it takes 0.65. But if you put for 0.65, sometimes you'll go through them real quick. And I heard some people putting 0.80 on it, but I don't know if you can do that. Let me know down in the comments if you guys can do that with an electric string trimmer. I know for a gas, yeah, you can put it up to a 0.95 or up to a 1 point something. But yeah, they got a whole bunch of selection here. I just gotta know which one's the best one, that way I'm not doing that all the time, going through string, because I do have a big yard. And yeah, I got what is it, a quarter of an acre, or a little bit more than a quarter of an acre. And I got a lot of grass, a lot of trees. I do a lot of trimming, basically. And that's the whole reason why I'm into garden tools a lot, because I gotta do that myself. Obviously, if you pay somebody else, it becomes really expensive. But yeah, they have this cart full with lawnmower tires there, or wheels. And then they got the blower for $159. Some more blowers there, corded. Yeah, hardly anybody buys corded anymore. And then those are the chainsaws. I need to get a chainsaw. This has already got Ryobi batteries. Might as well stick. Well, I got some Milwaukee too, so I can see if there's any on sale. Yeah, they still have a lot of gas. And then those are the electric ones. And I saw somebody just pick one of those up. Those 13 inch. I think 13 inch is a little too small for my yard. That $3.99. They had another Home Depot. They had a few of those on sale. Those Ryobi ones. They had them for $2.50 for the self-propelled. That's $79.97 for that. If you guys got a big yard, you guys have weeds or pesticides you guys want to spray, those are good sprayers. And then my one of my customers does pools. He has that the little pool vacuum. Does a clearance section. Actually, this Home Depot has a lot of clearance items. Not really the best prices out there, but yeah, definitely a lot of clearance. And which is weird because this is one of the ones that don't have a lot of. Home Depot doesn't have a lot of clearance usually on the stores near me. But you can see you got some of the stuff you don't even know what it is. Half of the stuff. You got some extensions there for $15. Not a bad deal there for a 100-footer. I was tempted to pick one up, but I don't really have a use for. I already have 3 in my house, so got some garden tools there. An echo blower for $190. I see these echo blowers all the time on these clearance. You must be rolling them out, or coming out with new ones. Some exhaust fans. Some miscellaneous stuff here, just random stuff. Like I said, half of that stuff you don't even know what it is. Never seen before. You got some little decoration there, tile decoration on the top. You got a fan there. I was looking at the price for that fan, $88. Coffee maker at the bottom. And then you got some sales that they got going on for the fridges and the washers and stoves. So always look around, if you're gonna be shopping around, if something breaks down in your house, shop around, see what's on sale. That's the other clearance section. There's the power tool clearance section. I was looking if that had any prices in it, but it doesn't have any prices. And the box is half open, so. Porter cable. That's the Joby screwdriver for $24.97. Yeah. Some more clearance items here. Nikita. And they have these widgets. I did see these on another Home Depot for I believe $89. And they have this utility knives for $5. Not $5, but I couldn't check the prices on these because I was using the phone for the camera. But I wanted to check the price. I did forget because I walked out. You got the LXT there, widgets, some more stuff. It looks like nobody likes that color anymore, so all those are on sale. The goldish looking. And then that impact rubber, I checked the price. It was $99 here. Other Home Depots have it for $89. So always look at different Home Depots if you're planning on buying something. $2.99 for the Atomic. And they got some older Christmas deals here. $109, $19.88, $9.88. Not a bad deal for that Dewalt set. Utility knives. You got some utility blades there. It's a nice 3-pack. Hammers. $19.88. 24, $9.88. $12.88. Some more gloves here. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.